guys, normally my videos are about all things mechanical. We're having a change today. We have the Apple Watch Series 5 in stainless steel with a leather band. This is the 44mm version. We're going to unbox it, set it up and check it out. So this will be my first Apple Watch. I've had Android smartwatches before, but this is the first time I've gone for the Apple version of things. I always have an Android device and an iOS device going at the same time because I like things about both the systems, and just swap between them every few weeks as my daily driver. Okay, so the watch and the bands are boxed separately, and I guess that's because there are so many combinations that you can make up of these things. The Series 5 comes in aluminium, stainless steel, titanium, ceramic, and with those then you can start adding the bands and the bracelets. Then on top of that there's the Wi-Fi only version, the cellular version, basically lots and lots of options. Bear with me while I get this box open. You know, Apple really do know how to do things right. The packaging, the feel is always on point. Okay, right, the watch itself seems to be in a cute little protective pocket of its own. And in the box itself there's all your instructions on how to set the watch up, which of course I will completely ignore as I always do for everything else, but I am sure I'll be back to read them when I get stuck. The watch feels so nice and smooth. You can actually feel the quality. There's no rough edges, everything is just seamless. It's just all spot on. Let's take a look at the band. I decided to go for the leather band. There's no clasps or anything like that like we have on your traditional watch bands. The band itself has magnets inside. You just adjust to where you want and the magnets just do the rest and they just stick. It just all works. You remember me telling you that I never read instructions? Well, here I am just about to give you a live demonstration of it. I'm going to put the watch bands on the wrong end of the watch. Moving on to the setup of the watch, every iPhone has an Apple Watch app installed as default. You just open the app, follow the instructions as they show up on sometimes the phone screen and sometimes the watch screen. The new Series 5 has an always on display, so it makes it a bit easier if you want to have a sneak peek at the time while mid-conversation, which is always a bit awkward with normal standard smartwatches. Okay guys, that's it, all set up and ready for action. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.